40 na lang sa area ng 4ID. You just imagine 10 years ago, we've been dealing for more than thousands of the NPA. But the neutralization does not come with, we already believe that cannot be solved through the barrels of gun. Katong mga line of activities, these are more diplomatic approach. And we were able to encourage them and entice them to join the government because at first, they joined the armed struggle tungod kay dunay government inadequacies. Dunay mga dili sila nakuha na services from the government. And that alone, we became more purposive in our actions. We look deeper into the situation of our people in the area. And most cases, in most conflict areas in the 4th Infantry Division, very prevailing ang mga lack of government services, especially since we became more comprehensive in our approach. We deal with that with the right remedy. We look for the right agency, look for the right solutions to address this. Dili siya overnight, no? It took us years to prepare and to discuss this matter. And the involvement of our different agencies, we were able to bring them there sa spirit of bayanihan. And that we are now enjoying, that 40 figure, 40 na lang. And it is easy for us to entice them precisely because we are in the right direction. We believe in that. Because kitang tanan, we are part of this solution. No, sa una, military solution lang, sir, no? We just neutralize them, we kill one. And what we observed before, ang ilang mga relatives, mo sampa pud sa kalihukan. And that actually give us a very, deeper problem. Then later on, because of that paradigm shift, it is a game changer to everyone. And look at what we are now. The 4ID and the entire Philippine Army is now in the last stretch to finishing this insurgency situation. And now we are looking forward to transition from the internal to external defense because it's about time that we move forward. No? Kauban ang atong mga every Filipino. No one should be left behind in our quest to development. That is why we are having this